What's up, guys? So I've been researching crypto trading bots for like the past year and a half now, and honestly, it's been pretty frustrating. The internet is basically just one giant scam promotion machine at this point. You see these videos with insane profit numbers that are so obviously photoshopped, fake reviews from accounts that were created yesterday, just nonstop BS. And yeah, I got burned twice early on trying platforms that looked legit but turned out to be complete fake. Lost some money, wasted a bunch of time, honestly started thinking this whole AI trading thing was just designed to screw people over. But then around 4 months ago, I came across one app, and it's literally the only platform I've found that's actually trustworthy and does what it claims. So I'm showing you my real process here, because if you've been scammed before and you're skeptical of everything, I get it, and maybe this actually helps you out.
Okay, so first thing I need to do is authenticate myself, so clicking connect. Nice, I'm choosing Trust Wallet here. Give it a sec, there we go, logged in. Cool. Next step, selecting my preset. There's safe, optimal, and aggressive variants. This controls how the bot operates, my risk level, profit expectations, and how much capital I need. Platform's recommending optimal, but just pick whatever feels comfortable for you. Alright, then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which AI engine handles everything, and based on my experience, auto select is definitely the way to go. It picks the best one every time, and I've honestly never needed to change it. Okay, next is investment amount, just whatever you're cool with putting in for this session. Right, then comes network selection, depends on congestion and what the fees look like, so I choose whichever has lower costs, or just leave it auto-select. And last thing, click Start AI, which launches the process. Okay, so from here I'm basically just monitoring the process. Okay, good. A couple minutes later and I've ended the session, and here's everything. My total balance, profit I've made, trades executed, win rate percentage, and how long it ran. There's also this console up here displaying every move the AI made during that time. So yeah, hopefully this shows you how legit and effective this tech is. So now I just need to click Withdraw Funds. Okay, it's processing, and perfect, tokens heading to my wallet. Alright, so while I'm waiting for those to hit my balance, let me tell you why this app is the only trustworthy one when literally everything else is a scam. So the biggest thing that stands out is you can actually track what's happening with your money. Most scam apps are like black boxes. You send them crypto and you have absolutely no clue what they're doing with it, if they're even trading at all. Nothing. But this bot shows you the full console log with every trade, entry and exit points, profit and loss, everything. And the fact that withdrawals work smoothly every single time is what really proved it to me. I've done maybe more than 20 withdrawals over 4 months, and it's been instant every time.
And honestly, there's no manipulation tactics, which is refreshing. Scam apps always pressure you with fake urgency, limited spots, bonus offers if you deposit more, all this psychological manipulation. This app is just straightforward. Use the bot, get results, withdraw profits. No upsells, no referral pyramids, no premium tiers. That straightforward approach is a huge green flag. So, the link is in the description and I'll pin it in the comments. If you've been burned before and you're hesitant, I completely understand, but this is genuinely different from all that garbage. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment. Have you tried other AI bots? What happened? Let me know. Peace out.